Well, after almost a month of waiting since the drop on Adidas is confirmed, my Yeezy Boost 700 Salt have arrived.
Fucking finally.
You tell 'em, Brittany. But I should consider myself lucky because my sneakers didn't have mold. So I guess I'm gonna have to put these on, give you some shots on foot, not learn how to tie the laces the way Ye does, and let you know how they fit. But before we get into it, I want to give a quick mention to my buddies over at CalderaLab.com, makers of the finest skincare for men, including the Body Bar, the most exquisite, sootiest soap to ever shower. Use my promo code FRY15, save 15% at checkout. Okay, so these are my first 700s, and I will tell you, the unboxing experience, true to the Yeezy motif. Kudos for being proud enough to stamp 700 on the box, unlike those incognito foam runners. Not that it was my intent to critique the box, but these slide out much smoother than my other Yeezys. Material-wise, I was pretty impressed with this. The layout is beautiful. Suede here, suede there. We have the Boost. And of course, by now you're familiar with Boost, Adidas's pellet midsole with the high coefficient of restitution. Every hit looks bespoke, unique to these sneakers. Soft lining inside, similar to the 350 V2. There is elastic around the tongue, holding it in place, which is beautiful, but you could potentially snag your foot on it. My true to size is 10, and I went with 10.5. Playing it safe, I maybe didn't need to. There's a lot of room in here. They seem wide enough, long enough. I might question if there would be some pinch if I went down half a size. A bit of a struggle to tie these securely, but you know, if you have wider feet, go ahead and play it safe and essentially adjust size by sock. Now, actually wearing these 700, these are mighty comfortable. And this is gonna be a controversial take, so get that dislike button ready. Okay, here it is. Salt is the best colorway for the 700. I know it's heresy, but I'm not wild about the Wave Runner. More often than not, I will choose to go with a fairly neutral color on my shoes. And look, if this is the dad shoe of the Yeezy line, why not go with the daddiest of all dad colors? The Yeezy Boost 700 in Salt works with a variety of different pants and sock color combinations. These are shoes that don't draw too much attention to themselves, allowing you to style them instead of the other way around. Yeah, I'm gonna be rocking these fairly often. I can definitely see myself on stage performing in these. Just one small complaint, they're gonna need to be scuffed a little because on hardwood surfaces, the outsole squeaks. Actually, it kind of sounds like tape being peeled as you lift your foot. So what do you think about the Adidas Yeezy Boost 700 in Salt? I know they're not really collectible. I think this is a shoe that you actually rock. But give me your take in the comments below. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications, or this video will be buried by YouTube's flawless algorithm. I know I'm a male, and I can't entice you to sign up for my Patreon with some skimpy cosplay photo shoot. So instead, how about bookmarking my Amazon influencer affiliate link? That way, whenever you shop Amazon, it tosses a coin to your Witcher. A popular Netflix reference makes me cool, right? No? Okay.